Good morning, everyone. Today is a super exciting day. Today is my baby shower. I cannot believe I'm actually having a baby shower because for so long we just completely canceled our plans. I think I told you guys in my last vlog that my sisters and I were planning like this huge baby shower towards the beginning of my pregnancy. We were gonna do it at the venue where I got married, and then after COVID happened, we just kind of like completely canceled everything. Towards the end of my pregnancy, my sisters were like, we have to throw you just like some little tiny party or just something so we can celebrate. So we decided to throw like a family only, like small little gathering at my mom's house. And we're still like going all out with like the decor and food and all the things, but it's just gonna be like super small. So it'll be super special. And honestly, the most special part is that my sisters and my mom have completely taken over, and I have no idea like anything that's going on right now. I don't know what the decor looks like. Like, they have not included me in anything. So I'm so excited, and I'm just so grateful that they're even doing that for me. They were working so hard yesterday that I barely even got to like see them or talk to them or anything because they were like running around getting stuff ready for the party, and I'm just so grateful for them, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like. I think Amanda is going to be vlogging a little bit of the behind the scenes, like setting up the party and stuff, so we'll insert some of that a little bit later. But I am about to get ready. I'm about to put my makeup on because Lauren is coming to do my hair in really short period of time, like probably 30 minutes. The party is actually going to be all girls, so like I said, Lauren's going to do my hair. Hey you guys, if you don't know who I am Lena's sister Amanda. We are setting up for her baby shower currently right now. She has no idea what anything's going to look like. She is getting ready at her house, so I don't know how much she told you, but we are going like all out. It's just going to be close family, but we're really excited. We definitely wanted to throw her something because she always plans everything out for us and makes everything really special, so this was our time to like do something special for her. Everything is going to look so good. We set up all the tables last night, so today the balloon company is coming and they're gonna set up, and we're doing all the food and everything like that. So I'm gonna take you guys through the setup. We are just so excited. Just texted me that she's on her way, so I'm basically just gonna do my everyday makeup look. I never really like to go like too overboard or too glam because you guys know like a pretty natural look, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up before she gets here, and then when she gets here we'll do my hair, and then I'll show you guys like my finished look with my dress and all that stuff once I'm finished getting ready. So that is my makeup completed. I just haven't done my lips yet, but I'm probably just gonna do that right before I leave the house. Lauren literally just pulled up, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. You guys, look at this balloon wall behind me. It looks amazing. We knew that they were gonna set up a balloon wall, but I didn't expect it to be this extravagant. I'm gonna take you guys through everything that they did. Here's the balloon wall where we're going to be taking pictures in front of. You guys, how beautiful is that? So they did all of the pink balloons, and then they went in with the rose gold globes. It looks amazing. Here's the arch over the entryway. It looks amazing. So good. Let me get a little close up. I love like the little balloons in there. They look so good, and it didn't take them any time at all. They were here for like maybe 2 hours. Here's the last arch where we put the charcuterie board, and we're gonna do the cake, and we have a picture of Leena and Omar, and I feel like the arch right there just really makes it. So I put this space in the middle so you guys can see what it's gonna look like. We're gonna have a ton of cherry blossoms in here. Lauren is just picking up the rest of them. Here is a little close-up of the charcuterie board. We decided to put all the fruit in these little containers because I think it looks better like that. People can just pick it up with the tongs and the spoons rather than just having it all over the butcher paper, and it might get a little messy and stuff like that. So we've got some pretzels, some crackers, gluten-free crackers for Leena. Then we have some mixed nuts, some apricot jam,
some berry jam, and some honey. And then we've got Havarti cheese, sharp cheddar, Gouda, and Gruyere. Then we've got some more mixed nuts there, and then we have all of the fruit. Thank God all of these melons actually taste really good. We were worried about that. So we've got watermelon, pineapple, blueberries, raspberries, grapes, cantaloupe, strawberries, and then these figs are actually from our tree outside. So they finally started coming in this month, and we got to add that to the charcuterie board here. Then over here, this area is obviously not done yet, but it's gonna be our little dessert area. So we've got some candy in these little jars. These are Dum Dums, and these are pink M&Ms. And then we've got animal crackers, and we printed this beautiful picture of Leena and Omar. I texted Anaya, which is Leena's photographer and my photographer that we work with, and I said, please send me a picture because I didn't want to ask Leena for it. So she sent over this beautiful picture. We printed it. I printed it at Walgreens and then got this frame from Michael's. So just put that in there really quick. The main dessert in this area is going to be the cake. So it's a naked cake with white icing, and then I got a cake topper that says Baby Snowbar on it. It's so cute. Just put the cake topper and the flowers on top of the cake, and it looks so good. We are about to do the macaroons. We have a macaroon tower that we're going to put all of them on. So let me show you guys all the flavors we got. For flavors, we've got vanilla, chocolate, passion fruit, and raspberry. We tried to stick with a neutral color scheme. You guys know Leena, so we had to go with that. Also, of course, we had to get pink because it's a pink explosion in here.
Lauren just left, and it took her 2 hours to do my hair, but it looks so good. She's like the hair magician in our family. I want to show you guys my dress for the baby shower. I love it so much. I found it on sale from Net-a-Porter. It's by Needle and Thread, and it's just like my perfect like princess dress. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and steam this and throw on a hijab so we can go and take some pictures before the party starts. Okay, now that I'm completely ready, I want to show you guys my full look. I did throw on a chiffon hijab from Bella Scarves. I love this light nude color. Okay, so this is the full look. I'm super happy with this dress. I think it fits the bump really well, and I think that it's just, I don't know, it was just like my dream baby shower dress. I love the detailing and like the balloon sleeves and the silhouette of it, and I just got my regular size so I can still wear this even after I am not pregnant anymore. I'm just gonna go pick out my shoes, and then I also need to make sure that Omar is ready because he's gonna come and take some pictures before the party starts too. I'm gonna put on one of my favorite perfumes. This is the La Colle Noir by Dior. I'm probably butchering that. Basically, it smells like rose oud. It's a little bit intense, which is why I only, like, I save it for special occasions, but I love this scent so much. Decided to wear my Valentina Rockstead flats because this girl is not going to be wearing heels anytime soon. So, but I'm going to have Omar help me put these on because they do have straps, and it's just getting a lot harder recently. Lauren just got here. She was helping Leena get ready. Yeah. Doesn't everything look so good? It looks so good. It looks amazing. Yeah, Lauren. Yeah, Lauren left when we were setting up, so she didn't see all of it. Here are the cherry blossoms. You guys haven't seen that yet, but it looks I feel so like good. That makes like that like really makes it. It looks amazing. How do you think Leena's gonna react when she gets here? She's gonna cry. I think she will too, because we have, oh, let me show you guys the front and the welcome sign. Here's the entrance to the house. Look at the balloons, you guys. They went all out for this. It looks amazing. This is the welcome sign. Leena came over last night and she saw this little easel and she thought it was gonna be a picture of her and Omar, but it's not. It says, welcome to Leena's baby shower, July 11th, 2020. I got this done on Etsy and it was beautiful. It came like just in time. It looks so good. We decided to do white in the back and then rose gold at the front so that it would match the balloons. Here are the flower arrangements. My dad put them together last night, and then we've also got the rose gold silverware. So one thing Leena told us, I think like forever ago, that she wanted at a baby shower for herself was to play a few games. So we got this huge baby bottle and we filled it with peanut M&Ms, and we're gonna have everyone guess how many M&Ms are in here.
So to let you guys know, there are 406 M&Ms in here, even though it doesn't look that big, especially probably on camera, but there's 406 M&Ms in there. The second game we're gonna play is we're gonna give everyone a piece of yarn and they are going to guess how big around Leena is, and whoever wins, we have gift cards for them. So we have like 4 different gift cards to different places. So that I think is probably gonna be my favorite game. Okay, we're on our way and Amanda's like freaking out. She's like, okay, text me when you leave. So I texted her that we left and then she's like, okay, text me when you're at the gate. I'm like, what? I think they're still just scrambling to get stuff done, but oh, I can't wait to see it. Whenever Lauren was over doing my hair, she was like, Leena, you are gonna die. Apparently it's like out of this world, so I'm so excited to see it. Okay, we're all ready.
Finally.
Leena is in the neighborhood. She is coming. We told her to wait down the street, but she's on her way now. So
She was at work.
here we go. Yeah, very good. Hi! Do you like it?
It's beautiful and you guys look so pretty.
Thank you.
This is stunning.
This is insane.
What do you think of the balloon wall? Isn't it?
Isn't it so cute? I love the little dessert.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
It is a couple days later and I wanted to just fill you guys in on how the party went. Oh my gosh, I was just absolutely blown away by how beautiful everything looked. They really transformed my mom's house. I just have to say thank you so much to Lushra. They are the balloon company that just made everything that just brought the party to life, and what's the most gorgeous balloon display I'd ever seen in my life. They're based in Dallas, but they did travel. I live 2 hours from Dallas, so they do travel around. So if you guys are needing balloon displays for your parties, like, they are the people to go to because they just blew it out of the water. It was so gorgeous. So like I told you guys before, it was mainly just family. I think we had like 15 or 20 people, and that really just made up most of like Omar's family and cousins, and then me and my family. And since we all know that we've been social distancing and that we're all healthy, we all felt comfortable doing that. And honestly, having an intimate party was just my dream. Like, it was perfect. We had just the right amount of people, and I just knew everybody there like really cared about me and the baby, and just it was just perfect. We had my dad's restaurant cater, and also my dad put together the flowers. I brought them home. I'm gonna show you guys up close in a second. They made like a fettuccine bow tie pasta with chicken, and of course I could not have that because I'm on a bland diet right now, so they made me just some like plain chicken and white rice. So that's what I ate. They also had a beautiful cake, which I couldn't eat either, but it was actually made by the same lady who made Omar and I's wedding cake, which was so special. And everyone said it was so good, but I didn't get to have any. We played a few games, which were so fun. One of them was the classic, like the piece of yarn that you like guess how big around the belly is. So my sisters, they like measured me with a piece of yarn, and then everyone had their own piece of yarn, and then they went around and like saw who got the closest. And it was so funny because most everybody was so much longer. It was like they way over calculated it. It was hilarious. Nobody thought it was smaller than what it actually was. But my photographer, Inaya, actually won. She got like almost spot on. It was crazy. Anyways, I'm just so grateful to my sisters and my mom. They just really just outdid themselves, and I'm just so I don't know, I'm just so touched that they worked so hard on that, and it was just perfect, and I'm so excited to see all the pictures and put together this video. Let me show you these flowers, and I also took home the sign. I'll show you that up close. Like I said, my dad actually put these flowers together, so it's so special. I need to make sure that these last as long as possible. There's a bunch of different tricks to get especially hydrangeas to last a really long time. I think you can use like hot water and then like cut the stems from the bottom a little bit. And anyways, I'm gonna try that. And then this is the sign. My sister Amanda said she ordered it off Etsy. I will link the shop down below, but wow, that was just so stunning and really just made the entrance even more grand. I love it. I wish all of you could have been at my baby shower. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.